This section explains how to identify the types of errors that occur in the CBM-910II matrix printer and how to fix them. If the printer is experiencing some kind of problem, you can tell by the type of blinking of the select N power lamps. Here, paper is jammed inside the mechanism and impossible to eject. In this case, the select lamp will blink at 1/4 section intervals. This is a mechanical alarm condition. In this case, if the paper seems to be jammed, remove it and press the select switch twice to reset. If printing was in progress, printing will resume from the line where it stopped. If the error persists even though nothing is jammed, please contact your Citizen Systems dealer where you purchased the printer. Next, the select lamp blinks at 1/2 second intervals. This is the most common error. This is a paper near end, which indicates that the printer is low on paper. Load new paper and press the select switch twice to reset. If you want to use up the last of the paper, you can also disable the paper near end function. The presence of paper is detected by a sensor in the hole on the left side of the paper holder. By blocking this hole, it is as if paper is always present. But the printer can be set to enable or disable the paper near end function. How to set this is explained later. Mechanical alarm at 1/4 section intervals and paper near end at 1/2 second intervals have been explained. Other errors include memory error, in which select N power lamps simultaneously blink at 1/10 second intervals. This is an internal printer error and is not recoverable. Please contact your Citizen Systems dealer where you purchased the printer. If only power blinks at 1/10 second intervals, this is a memory switch setting error. In this case, there is an error in the memory switch setting, which is explained next. Using the setting to disable paper near end described earlier as an example, we will explain how to change the memory switch. To change the memory switch, operate the button while having the setting printed on the paper. Before setting, the dip switch must be changed. Make sure the printer is turned off. There is a square hole at the bottom with a row of 1/8 switches. These are the dip switches, and when they are at the bottom, they are off. And when they are at the top, they are on. Use a thin tip to change the position of these switches. To change the memory switch, change the number 4 switch to on. When you have finished setting the memory switch, change the number 4 switch back to the off position. Load the paper and make sure it is ready to print. Turn off the power once. Turn on the power while holding down the select switch. The current setting will be printed and the unit will enter change setting mode. From here, press the select and line feed switches to operate. Move to the last item and press select to save the setting. The paper near end item will be the 5th item. Since we are now at the first item, international character selection, press select to advance to the 5th. When you press line feed, you will be asked if you want to disable it. Press select. Now that the paper near end is disabled, press select again. Press select and proceed to the 6th and 7th items. Press select on the last question to save the settings. As the new settings are printed, confirm that the 5th paper near end is now disabled and turn off the power. Turn dip switch number 4 back to off. In this state, an error condition will not occur even if there is little paper remaining. However, take care that if the paper near end is disabled, printing will continue even if there is no paper. This completes our introduction to identify and fix the types of errors on the CBM-910 Type 2.